Who loves paying their homeowner's insurance premiums? I know I don't. Well, today's article and blog is all about how to lower your homeowner insurance premiums, if at all, when it comes to replacing your roof. So we get the question, I've heard from a neighbor, an uncle, someone, that if I get a new roof, my homeowner's insurance premiums are going to go down. And the short answer is most of the time they do. So we would say, yes, investing in a new roof will on average lower your homeowner's insurance premiums. With that said, there are some factors to consider that are going to have an impact on what, if any, that discount is. Number one is going to be class 4 impact resistance. So when you invest in a new shingle roof, and that shingle is a class 4 impact resistant shingle, which means it is most likely an SBS shingle, it means the odds of it incurring damage because of the rubberized nature of that shingle have gone down. As such, the odds of the insurance company having to pay for a new roof due to damage go down. Second factor, pretty much ties right into the last one. Why would they offer these premium discounts? Well, it's because you've made the investment that they didn't have to in the form of a liability payout, because when you invest in a brand new roof, even if you use a basic builder grade asphalt shingle, for the next 10 years, the odds of the insurance company having to pay you for a new roof, let alone interior damage or leaks, has gone down. Most insurance carriers pass those savings back on to you because you made that investment in your home and lessened their liability. And the last thing that's really critical to determine what, if any, discount you're going to receive is your insurance company and your policy itself. So we always urge you, call your insurance provider. Let them know, hey, I just had a new roof put on. Hey, it had class 4 impact resistant shingles. What, if any, discount am I now entitled to with my policy? Every policy is different. Every insurance carrier is different, which is why we don't say absolutely you're going to get a discount on your premiums. But as a general rule, when you make that investment, your premiums will go down. If you're in the market for a new roof, you want to get those savings on your premiums, my team here at Kanga Roof would love to help you. You can always give us a call at 586-566-0308. You can skip the line and book online at www.kanga-roof.com. And as always, if you've enjoyed this content, if you felt like you learned something, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. We're always coming out with new great content like this. And as always, I really do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a Kangarific day.